Hello viewers, welcome to Knowledge Tech. Have you ever wondered what happens when you type something into Google search? Within a second, millions of results appears on your search screen. But how does Google actually do this magic? Today, we'll break it down in a simple way. Crawling and indexing. Google uses special programs called crawlers or spiders. These crawlers travels across billions of websites, collecting information from every page they find. After collecting, Google organizes this data into a huge library called the Google Index. Think of it like the world's biggest digital library. Searching and ranking. When you type something in the search bar, Google doesn't actually search the whole internet. Instead, it searches its own library, the Google Index. Now, here comes the smart part. Google uses complex algorithms and over 200 ranking factors such as keywords, page speeds, backlinks and qualities of contents to decide which results are most relevant for you. The best answer appears at the top. Personalization and AI. Google also personalized result. Your location, language and past searches affect what you see. That's why if two people search the same words, they might get slightly different result. Nowadays, all AI also help Google's give you direct answers like quick definitions, map and even voice results. So, Google search is not magic. It's the power of crawling, indexing, ranking and artificial intelligence all working together in less than a second. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Outnoise Tech for more simple tech explanations. Thank you for watching this video.